What is up everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy A52 Wi-Fi not working or Wi-Fi connection problem. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you are facing Wi-Fi connection problem in Samsung Galaxy A52, so to fix this issue, first of all simply you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.